Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to grow green peppers at home. Start by planting seedlings in loose, amended soil and water thoroughly to settle roots. Space plants 18-24 inches apart to improve airflow and reduce disease. Add a balanced fertilizer every 4-6 weeks and mulch to retain moisture. Monitor for pests and remove damaged leaves promptly to keep plants productive and healthy through the season. Keep soil consistently moist but not waterlogged by watering deeply at the root zone, ideally in the morning. Use a balanced 10-10-10 or similar fertilizer at planting and follow up every 4-6 weeks, adjusting for plant vigor. Apply 2-3 inches of organic mulch to reduce evaporation and suppress weeds, while also protecting roots from temperature swings. Check soil moisture regularly and avoid wetting. Manage growth by pruning only when necessary to prevent overcrowding and improve light penetration. Stake or cage plants early to support developing fruit and avoid broken stems during wind or heavy yields. Watch for common pests like aphids and caterpillars and treat promptly with gentle methods. Harvest peppers when they reach full green size and firmness, cutting stems cleanly to encourage more fruit, and enjoy fresh peppers straight from your garden.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.